Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the Mesh and pressing Tab to enter Edit mode. This gives direct access to vertices, edges, and faces. Make sure Vertex Select is active and face overlays are visible so you can spot triangles. Once visible, use Mesh Cleanup Degenerate Dissolve to remove zero area or collapsed faces first. You do this because cleaning degenerates reduces false triangles and simplifies later steps. After that, switch to Edge Select to prepare for edge-based operations. Now focus on converting triangles into quads so topology flows better. You can select problematic faces manually, or use Select All by Trait Faces by sides to pick triangles automatically. Once selected, press Alt+J to run tris to quads. Blender attempts to merge triangle pairs into quads based on angles. If some triangles remain because geometry is non-manifold or complex, manually dissolve undesired edges with X-dissolve edges. Finish by retopologizing any remaining trouble spots using the knife tool or poly build. You create new quads where needed and keep edge flow consistent. Once topology is clean, apply Shade Smooth and control sharpness with edge crease or a small bevel. Make sure to recalculate normals, Shift+N, and remove doubles, M-merge by distance, if shading artifacts persist. If issues continue, inspect for non-manifold vertices and fix them. This final pass ensures triangles are eliminated without breaking mesh deformation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.